Where do most people go wrong when they set out to acquire backlinks? What are, let's say, the top sort of few things they get wrong?
Yeah, a couple of things. So I think one of the base things is to not spend some time and research the audience of the people that you want to get links from and the needs of those people. So a lot of times people focus on their own customers, right? But you want links from specific site owners, and then you have to think about what are they trying to do with their site? You know, how are they engaging with their audience? How are they selling to their audience? And how can my piece of content or my linkable asset help with that? And the other thing is that often people don't look at the audience themselves, the audience of those link prospects, and because it could be slightly different than your customer audience. So I think that's definitely one thing. The second thing is to be obsessed with scaling. Yes, scaling is important because you want to systemize stuff, you want to work efficiently. But at some point, you're so focused on scaling that you lose sight of your conversion rate. And at some point, your conversion rate is going to be so low that scaling is no longer the most cheap way to do stuff, right? Because you have to email more and more and more, which means that you get flagged for spam, and then you have to have all these intense systems to get new email addresses, you know, make sure your email deliverability is on point. If you notice that you get lost in the scaling and you lose sight of your why, then go back and try to fix your outreach that way.